Free Hindi MP3 app. It's for 23 MBs. It 100 million plus downloads. And here is the first screenshot. Experience app in 16 language: English, Hindi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu. Introducing Ghana Hot for you trending. Listen to over 45 million songs. Enjoy podcasts and shows. Enjoy unlimited downloads. Enjoy songs and follow the lyrics. Get rewarded Ghana coins. And that's it. Here is a developer contact. Here is the reviews. 5 star. I love this app. It's the best for listening to music both offline and online. I know that the playlists are not good enough, but no one can know which type of music you like best, and no one can personalize it as we ourselves can. So guys, make your own playlist and enjoy. I seriously recommended this app if you are music lover like me, and I know that the hot shots popping when you start the app, it's really annoying, but you can still change the setting to not show the hot shots. So 3 star, 2 star, and different type of rating. Now it's over to you if you wanna download it or not.